Los Angeles, the car is everything.
What you got? We on the top.
It's the difference between rich and wealthy.
That car's $500,000.
$250,000.
$1.4 million. Inventory is scarce. If you can't deliver, you're done.
This is our time.
I started with zero. Now I'm the biggest car salesman in the world.
Yeah. This is.
I'm not just a pretty face. I'm working over 50 deals at a time.
There's a few of us in the business. We're all chasing the same clients.
Tom Holland, Kim Kardashian, and Jamie Foxx.
You can fight crime in this.
This game is cold.
Melissa wants to steal my clients? Yeah, I'm pissed.
Drop the mic, bitches.
Gloves are off. Crazy.
This is our time.
Whatever Travis wants, Travis gets. Welcome to the game.
$1 Million Wheels, October 24th on TNT.